Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Google Chrome. Chrome 126 has been released finally. So, of course, it's the week of updates for browsers and new numbers. Firefox had its first Firefox 127, and now it's Google Chrome at 126. Now, if you go to your Chrome browser, go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, and go into Help and About Google Chrome. You'll be sent to 126.0. 6478, ending in 56, 57, or 58, depending on what operating system you have and system. Now, it contains a couple of features that aren't really that front-facing, but one is, for some of you, a slow integration of AI. So they're calling the integration into Chrome Gemini Nano, for kind of a smaller version of Gemini, to help you with AI in your searching and using the browser. That is one of the things. It also enables the use of gamepads in some online games. The implementation is actually improved and made available for gamepads on PCs. So there's a few things like that, a few changes under the hood for the rendering and the way that it works. But overall, the biggest thing about it is that it is fixing 21 security flaws. And so this is something that you should be checking out, at least for that reason. 21 security flaws are being fixed here. All pretty much all high severity. A lot of them high severity, at least. There's a few that are mitigated, but most of them are high severity. No 0 days from what we know, so that is the way it is. 21 is a lot. It's probably because it accumulated some that they knew that last week were already there, but that are fixed this week because they probably deemed that it wasn't dangerous enough, especially if they're not exploited and unknown. You know, there's a limited danger because the bad guys don't know about it until they are released. So they probably said we can wait until this week and the new version of Google Chrome for this to happen. So new version, Chrome 126, now available for the different operating systems, Linux, Mac, and Windows. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.